How to resize picture in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So first let me insert image. You can insert from your computer. I just search in net. Okay, so I just insert a image here. You can see, you can use this wrap text option so that you can move your image as per your requirement. Okay, so if you want to resize your image, you can simply select that image and you can see the dot, this dot options at circle. You need to just select any dot and hold it and just resize as per your requirement. Okay, if you want to resize all at all side, then you need to just select this corner dot and you can resize like this. Okay, but if you want to resize your image in particular width or height, then we can use the option in image. So what you need to do, just select the image, right click on it and go to the image options, and here you can see option like this. So I just minimize everything. Okay, so you can see the option like this. So we need to go in this option, the size and rotation. So here you can see the width and height. So currently the width is 3.98, so we just make it 5. But you can see when we change the width, then height automatically change. You can see it is adjust automatically with width. Okay, so if you want to insert width and height individually or separately, then you need to uncheck this option, which is lock aspect ratio, and now you can see we can change height and width as per your requirement. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.